Jai Hind dear students. In this module, we are going to learn how to multiply polynomials. For example, multiplying binomial by binomial. So, this is the example a plus b multiplied by c plus d. First of all, we will start from first number from the first bracket. We will open the bracket and do multiplied by this whole number, or you have to say this whole expression. So what we'll do, we will do a is multiplied by c plus d, right? And then the next is plus b. This plus b is again multiplied by c plus d. Okay, so actually we are doing distributive property two times in this case. So first of all, this a is multiplied by c and a is multiplied by d. So what we'll write, a into c is ac plus a into d, because this is plus plus, we will write plus a into d ad. Okay, again plus the sign before c is nothing, so that is plus, so plus plus plus, b into c is plus bc, and then plus plus again plus, b into d is bd. Okay, so this is the multiplication of two binomials. Okay, one more simple way of multiplying binomials. Okay, so we are using method FOIL. FOIL is FOIL. So what is the meaning of FOIL? FOIL means first, outer, inner, last. So this is what F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. First, outer, inner, last. So how to use FOIL in this type of product, binomial by binomial? So take one example, like the same a plus b is multiplied by c plus d. So F stands for first. So first numbers in both the bracket are a and c. So first we have to multiply a and c. So we will get a into c, ac. Then next is outer. We will multiply the outer numbers. Outer is this one and this one, a into d. Okay, so that is, it is also positive, it is also positive, so plus 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 ad. And then I for inner. Inner means b and c, these two numbers are inner, so we will multiply b into c, and both are positive, plus 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 bc. And the last means b and d. The last of this this bracket is b, and in this bracket this is d. So b into d is, both are positive, so plus 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 b into d. Sorry, it is b into d. Okay, so this is the same thing, this is called FOIL. Okay, so this is quicker way to find the product of two binomials, right? So let's apply, let's check one example with this. So I'm going to take one question from exercise 9.4. So this is the second question of question number 1, that is y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. We need to do the multiplication of these two binomial. So for that we will write y minus 8 in one bracket multiplied by, if there is no symbol in between two bracket, so that means it is multiply. So y minus 8 is multiplied by 3y minus 4. So now we are using FOIL method. What is FOIL method? First, then outer, then inner, and then last. So what we will multiply first means y into 3y. So what is y into 3y? We will do y into 3y. So this dot means this is product. Then first, then outer y into minus 4. So we will take this, that is positive, this is positive, and minus 4 is negative. So plus minus minus y into 4, we will write 4y. Okay, now inner minus 8 into 3y. So minus plus minus, we will do plus minus minus, and 8 3s are 24 into y. And then last, minus minus plus 8 into 4. First we will multiply minus minus plus 4 8s are 32. So now we will complete it. So what we will write, 3 into y is 3y square. Then minus 4y and minus 24y, both these are like terms. So whenever we have like terms, we will combine both the terms. Okay, so minus 4y and minus 24y becomes minus 28y, right? And then plus 32, and this is our final answer. So like this way you have to complete question number 1 of exercise 9.4. So let's take one more example from question number 2. So I am taking question number 2. The fourth question is p square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. Okay, so using again the same method, that is FOIL. Okay, first outer, inner, last. So the first numbers are from the both the brackets. So p square into 2p. So we will multiply p square into 2p. We have done first. Then now we will do outer. Outer means the outer of this bracket is this and this bracket is this, q. So p square into q. So we will multiply the sign first. This is positive and this is also positive, plus 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 p square into q. Okay, now we will do inner. Inner means from this and this, inner are q square and 2p. So this is minus and this is plus. So first we will multiply the signs. It is very very important. So minus plus is minus. Now q square into 2p. Okay, and from the last we will do the last. FOIL. L is the last, and the last is minus q square and plus q. So we will do plus minus minus, the symbol is, sign is minus, q square multiplied by q. Now we will do, this becomes 2 into p square into p. So 2p to the power 3, then plus p square q, then minus 2pq square, 2pq square, and then minus q square into q is q to the power 3 minus q to the power 3. So we have to check, is there any like terms? So no, there is no like terms in this. So we will write down, this is the final answer. Okay, so like this way you have to do question number 2.